Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my Shop Mistake haul. So if you want to see what I picked up a bunch of makeup, skincare, miscellaneous things for an upcoming trip. So if you want to see all the products that I picked up, just keep on watching. So let's start off with jewelry. I went ahead and picked up these hoops right here. They look stunning and I actually have them in my cart again right now, so I have to go back and remove them because I ended up picking these up. These are stunning, and again, they're just hoop earrings in gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these, show you guys. They're definitely not heavy at all. They feel really cheap and lightweight, but honestly sometimes you can't even tell. So I just love trying out different earrings for my videos, and I love trying out different styles. So these look so nice, and they look like those very expensive hoop earrings that Laura Lee is always talking about. So I was like, why not? Let's go ahead and throw these in my cart and see how they look once they're on. So you want to see an up close. There it is. Just gonna add these to my jewelry right now. I also did pick up some other earrings. So these come with some studs, also some hoop earrings, and I thought these were stunning. So these are from Isabella, New York, and they're so cute. I also have to mention I am wearing the Shop Mistake sweatshirt right now that was actually free. I don't know how that happened, but it retails for $20 and I'm wearing it right now. It's really nice and cozy, and it's so hot in here, but I'm still wearing it because it's so cute and so comfortable. So yeah, these are so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them from the packaging so we can see them a little better. There's a look at those. So I do own a lot of gold jewelry, so that's why I got these in silver, just to give, you know, a little bit of a twist to my jewelry collection. I thought these were adorable. So we get, again, two studs on the top, these two hoop earrings right here, just some basic silver earrings, and then we get these on the bottom. These are stunning. So next accessory, I actually purchased some sunglasses for some reason. I'm not a very big sunglass wearer for some reason, but I do own a couple pairs. So I thought these were so cute, and they do have like this kind of heart shape to them. I thought these were adorable. So let me remove the sticker and we can try them on. There's a look at these sunglasses. I think these are cute. Now, do they go with my face shape? Not sure, girl, not sure, but I can actually see in them. They don't look too dark. They look really cute. So if you're thinking about getting these, that's how those look. I also did go ahead and repurchase these. I've been using them at work when I'm doing like kids makeup or whatever it is, for prom, for shows, whatever it is. So I've actually been using these and cutting them in half, and they work really well. So these are the AWA Studio Shadow Armor situations. I might even start using them for myself, and basically you put it right here by your eye and the brow, so it can catch the fallout when you're doing your eyeshadow, and so it doesn't get on your skin. Obviously I use these before going in with your actual face products because it will rip it off, because it is like that sticky kind of situation, like a sticker. So yeah, so I always go in with this before my foundation, concealer, all of that. So yeah, so let's see how these work. First off, I went ahead and picked this up. So these are more like self-care vibes. So this is a 2-in-1 cuticle trimmer and rubber pusher, and I really love doing my nails. I put on press-on nails, I do my real nails, I paint them. So these are really good just to keep that maintenance going for your nails, and I don't have anything like this in my collection already, so I thought, why not, let's pick up a couple from the Shop Mistake website. So it comes with a purple and a pink one, so if you want to gift one to your sister, to your cousin, whatever it is, so cute. And there's a look at those up close and personal. So this is the cuticle pusher and the cutter, I believe. Yeah, they look so nice. So next I have a couple of other skincare products. We have this Global Beauty Care Pink Clay Mask. So I've spoken about, I believe I've spoken about this brand before. They carry this same brand at the Dollar Tree. I've heard people talk about the, I don't know, like people get reactions to this brand, so I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I basically bought it because it's pink and it looked really cute, but hopefully it doesn't like give me any type of reaction to my face. But again, this is just their pink clay mask. I just filmed my Temu haul where I got a box cutter. There's a sneak peek of one of the products from my Temu haul. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, works like a charm, girl. All right, so there's a look at the pink clay mask. It is pretty stuck in there, as you can see. It's just been sitting there for a while. So again, from Global Beauty Care, it comes with 1.7 ounces. It's so cute. Love the pink. It does come with its own little applicator, but I actually did buy one that's like more universal. It goes with everything, and I can also wash it and reuse. This is the AWA Studio Mask Brush, and it's just like a silicone kind of vibe. There's a look at the little silicone brush. So cute. I actually do sell these everywhere, like TJ Maxx, the 99-cent store I'm sure has them. They're everywhere, but I wanted to try this one. It's so cute and pink, so this will go really well with that face mask. I also did purchase these. Not sure how often I'm gonna use these because I'm not the biggest fan of the Shop Missy face wipe, I don't know, formula. It's not a formula, but their face wipes tends to be very dry, so that's why I don't really purchase them a whole lot. But I picked these up because they're so cute, so I want to see how these work. These are the Miss A makeup remover wipes from their Miss A Friends collection. So these come with 15 wipes, so I can't wait to try these and see my thoughts. I will be updating you guys in my empties video if I use these up soon enough. You guys will see that soon in my empties, so not sure how I like them just yet. I haven't tried them. Next, I picked up 2 face masks. So this was originally going to be like a pink haul, so I went ahead and picked up a bunch of pink products. We have 2 face masks, one from C'est La Vie, and this is a watermelon face mask. Hydrates and relieves your face, so you only get 1 sheet mask in here. And then we also have this one from Baroness, and this is a peony flower mask sheet. Looks like that, so cute. So I picked up 2 different face masks. I saw these on the site and they looked intriguing, so I picked up the 6-pack, I believe. Yeah, 6 individual pre-moistened wipes. So these are the pure feminine wipes. They're disposable personal hygiene wipes. You never know when you're gonna need one of these, so especially with the trip that I'm going on soon, I will be taking these with me, and it comes with 6 of them, so we'll see how these work. I couldn't pass up on picking a couple of these up, especially since I've been into my body wash products. I love using a loofah, but I thought maybe these can get in and just scrub a little more, and they're just so cute and pink. They're just some gloves. These are the AOA Studio exfoliating bath gloves. They're scrubbing gloves for bath or shower, so you can try these out and see my thoughts. A couple more products I picked up for my trip, but also just to use here at my house. So these are from Oki, and these are their toothbrush covers. You know, if you're using the restroom and your toothbrush is out and exposed, all those bacteria and everything is getting on your toothbrush. So I love getting these little covers because obviously it's just more hygienic and your toothbrush is not gathering all the bacteria from the air. So it protects your toothbrush head, and it is ventilation holes, so it has little holes in it, and it says it fits most toothbrushes, and one little set comes with 2 covers. 2 of these little sets. They're so cute, and these retail for, I believe, yeah, $1 on the site. So with that, I also picked up this product. This is the toothbrush case from Oki, and it's meant to just, you throw your toothbrush in here and you're good to go. It's not rolling around your makeup bag or wherever you throw your brush when you're traveling. So I thought, why not, let me go ahead and pick one of these up. So cute. For now, I am going to keep it in its little situation. I'm not going to take it out just yet because, you know, once that time comes I'll get it, but this is so cute, and it's pink as well, so just come in a couple other colors. Now we're getting into the makeup. First product is a pack of the A+ Super Strip Lash Adhesives. You guys know, if you've been on my channel, I use these all the time. I use it today to throw on these Beauty Creations lashes. I love these, and it actually does come in a set of 4, so yeah, because I'm running low, girl. I only have this one here and maybe like some other different ones over there. I needed the little set, so this is just their value set of the clear lash glue, so it comes with 4. So Shop Missy sent me a $2 coupon code because they didn't have one of my products that I purchased, which is basically those little clips I use to enhance the volume of your bangs or whatever. You just kind of clip them in. So I don't know why they sent me this, because I literally didn't order it, but they sent me the AOA Studio CC Cream Color Correcting Cream in the shade Light. I don't know why, girl. I can't even use this color, but I'll have to pass it on to someone. Maybe take it to work or something, because I'm not going to use this. It is way too light for me. I already own 2 other colors, so I don't know why they threw this in here. So I picked up another shade in the AOA Studio A+ Buildable Satin Foundation line. I went in with Soft Tan. So I can't wait to see if the shade matches me better. I feel like the past one that I was getting was a little too orange, so I can't wait to see if this matches me a little better, and we'll have to try it out in a full face of Shop Missy. Another repurchase, we have the AOA Studio Micro Brow Pen in dark brown. Mine is kind of running out and it's just too old. The actual words rubbed off already. I use it that much, so I went ahead and picked up a backup just in case the other one just stops working and runs out of ink. Repurchased the AOA Studio Artista Liquid Liner in purple. So in one of my other videos I mentioned that they had some, like, they reformulated these and they repackaged them, and they only had 4 colors, I believe. but they didn't have the purple. So I actually kept scrolling on the makeup section, and I found that they still have these Artista liquid liners in the old packaging available, and they still have the purple. So I kind of stocked up on these, and I also already opened my other one. So I did pick up 4 of the Artista liquid liners just to stock up, just in case. We have a brow pencil. So this is their Easy Brow Styler. So they actually did come out with a couple of these brow products. You guys have seen the other ones in action. Those are also newer, but basically this is just the teardrop side on its own, and then we have the little brush that you guys know have been very popular these days. Fenty Beauty has them, NYX has them, so it's just a little brush for your brows. Next, they also added some concealers to the site. These are the AWA Studio just concealer, I guess. I picked up the shade Sand, and it's just basically a normal concealer. Looks like that. Let's see how it swatches. Oh, it's a little light from what I can tell, but we'll see how it looks on the face. It's actually really nice and creamy as well, so can't wait to try this. I don't know why I was really into like red when I was placing this order, so I picked up a cream blush in this red tone. This one here is in Charm, and I also picked up their Perfect Blush. I don't own this shade in Kindle, so yeah, I don't know why. I've like been wanting to do a red blush kind of look, so maybe we'll have to do this soon, because literally I own these products already. So yeah, so they added this collection. I don't know why, it was kind of random, but this is the AWA Studio Venetian Romance Creamy Bronzer little situation. It also does come with a creamy blush. So the bronzer, I got it in the shade Canal. Here's a look at that shade right there. Looks like it's gonna work for me. Oh wow, okay, there's the shade Canal. Literally so dark. Doesn't look like that in the pan, but it looks like it's gonna work really well. This one here is in the shade Duchess. These are so creamy. There's the shade Duchess right there. Such a beautiful color. And lastly, for this order, I picked up 3 different eyeshadows from their Venetian line. So we have the Venetian Romance Creamy Shadow in Coronation. There's the shade Coronation. It looks stunning. I cannot pass up on picking a couple of these up. They're so cute. Look at how creamy that is. So again, this one here is in the shade Coronation. I picked up the shade Petticoat. These are nice and creamy. Oh, Petticoat. There it is in the pan. And lastly, I cannot pass up on this shade here, which is in the shade Era. So one swipe pigment, girl. These are so creamy. Alright guys, so that was the last product of today's haul. Let me know what you're excited to see in my next Get Ready With Me Shamase video. I'm so excited to try all of these products out. Let me know your thoughts on this haul down below. Did you buy on any of these products? Let me know your thoughts on these like cream products if you tried them, or the eyeshadows. Like, how do they actually go on the eye? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you tried the concealer, girl. Let me know your thoughts all in the comments down below. Can't wait to read them. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.